Today I'm going to tell you about the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo was earlier known as Zaire. It is the third largest country in Africa. Its capital is Kinshasa. It lies in the equatorial region. The equatorial region lies on both sides of the equator and has hot and wet type of climate almost throughout the year. Location and land. Look at the map of the Democratic Republic of Congo. You will see that the equator runs through its north. It is surrounded by 9 countries. The names of these countries are Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Burundi in the east, Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south. One of the most important features of the Democratic Republic of Congo is the River Congo, which is the second longest river in Africa. The Congo River is also known as Zaire River. The River Congo is called the Highway of Central Africa. The Albert, Kivu, Edward, and Tanganyika are the major lakes of this country. Climate. As the Democratic Republic of Congo is located near the equator, it has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. Mornings are quite pleasant, but at noon the temperatures are high. The temperature during the day is between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. In the afternoons, there is a heavy rainfall for a short period. Evenings and nights are cooler. Vegetation. Most of the Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with rainforests. The trees in these forests grow very tall and form a canopy which prevents sunlight from reaching the ground. There is a dense growth of creepers and shrubs. A special feature of the trees of this forest is that they are evergreen. In some parts where the climate is not so hot and wet, the vegetation is different. Here grasslands with short trees are found. These grasslands are called savanna. Wildlife. The dense forests provide an excellent shelter to animals. Gorillas, chimpanzees, and baboons are found in the forest. Insects and reptiles are found in large numbers. Reptiles include snakes, pythons, and crocodiles. Crocodiles and hippopotamuses are found in the swamps and rivers. Okapi, a horse-like animal, is found here. The Democratic Republic of Congo is called the natural zoo of the world. Agriculture. The main occupation of the people is farming and mining. Farmers practice shifting agriculture. In this system, some forest land is cleared and crops are grown for 2-3 years. Crops grown are cassava, maize, and rice. Cassava is the staple food. The cassava plant has long or fleshy roots or tubers under the ground. The tubers are taken out from the ground and soaked in water for many days. Then the skin is peeled off. The tubers are dried and flour is made from them. Cash crops such as palm oil, cocoa, coffee, and rubber are grown for export. Industry. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals like gold, diamonds, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium, and coal. It is the largest producer of cobalt and industrial diamonds in the world. Industries are not developed here, so most of the minerals are exported. A number of dams have been built. They produce hydroelectricity. Life of the people. The Democratic Republic of Congo is thinly populated. Though a number of tribes live here, the Bantu is the largest tribe. Bantu people are tall and have curly hair. Pygmies are a primitive type who live in dense forests. They are short in height. Their average height is less than 1.5 meter. They gather food by hunting. They have a primitive lifestyle. They make huts out of branches and leaves. As the weather is hot and humid, the people do not wear many clothes. The people enjoy singing and dancing. Transport. Water transport is very important. The Congo River is the chief means of transportation. Matadi is the main seaport and Kinshasa, the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo, is an important river port. The Democratic Republic of Congo is developing fast.